Gut feeling part 2, following the previous video, giving different scenarios. When I've gone for something that just felt really right, what happens was every single action steps along the way is a kind of wow moment. I can't believe it, it's smooth, everything's working really alone. There'll be a couple of hiccups, but everything seems to sort itself out one thing after another. When I don't go for something that feels amazing, there's a regret pang. I'm like, oh, I wish I would have done it. I've done a regret video as well, so you can watch that because I don't like these feelings anymore. I try to take action when I have a bit of a pang like this because it's not nice to, you can't get rid of it. It's there with you forever. And then the no feeling. So when you have a like, doesn't feel quite right and you choose not to go for it, afterwards you'll realize why that was not good. And I've had that a couple of times where at the time people were looking like, are you crazy? This is like the obvious choice. You should be taking this because it's like totally makes logic and sense. But my body was just saying, So now what I say to people is like, I hear you, I understand, and I know that's what people should be doing, but it's a no for me. And the third is when it's a no, but you still go for it. And then it's just struggles and it's hard and it's just not worth it.